This is one of the coolest, most iconic sci-fi movie scenes ever. Sigourney Weaver as Ripley, ready to do battle in a giant exoskeleton with bad intentions. She's facing off against the queen alien monster. Okay, we need to reel it back a bit, but we're still talking about exoskeletal technology that's here right now. The Ekso vest, developed in partnership with Ekso by Ford, alleviates the physical strain on workers building vehicles. This innovation is really cool. Think of the way it can assist healthcare professionals in patient lifting. 3 key points. 1, it reduces physical strain, especially supporting workers' arms doing overhead tasks, minimizing wear and tear on muscles. 2, increased productivity. Wearing the Ekso vest, workers get things done with less fatigue, speeding up the assembly process. 3, workplace safety. Ekso vest reduces the risk of injuries from strain or fatigue, and it promotes a proactive approach to safety. That says something about Ford's commitment to prioritizing worker health. In this cinematic scene, Ripley dons the exoskeleton that's not traditionally used for battling alien queens, but for her everyday job in space. Overall, the evolution of exoskeletons from fiction to reality is marked by innovations in materials, robotics. The juxtaposition of mundane tasks and heroic potential underscores the idea that one can be a workplace hero without confronting extraterrestrial foes, though the thought of alien battles adds a touch of humor to the larger-than-life machinery. Initially conceptualized in movies as futuristic enhancements, real-world exoskeletons has emerged for medical, military, and industrial purposes.
It alleviated stress from my back and my neck. It was really unexpected, but it was a lot of differences right at the beginning, and now from day to day I wouldn't work without it. You actually can turn it on with the switch right here, and then these boxes have springs in them, and they will actually take your arms up and they'll assist them. So like right now, it's just holding me up. I have nothing on there. So I can just say hi to everybody, and it's really good. I love it. And then you just reach over and turn it off, and it's all back. I mean, there may be situations where I may not need to use it from job to job, but any job that's overhead, I wouldn't work without it. As people walk by and they see it for the first time, they're like, what happened? Did you get injured? Is there something wrong? No, it's a device that Ford came up with Ekso to relieve stress, and everybody wants one. Anybody that works overhead, they're like, well, where do I get one? I wish they had this before, so it's really good. Everybody loves it.
Breakthroughs in lightweight materials and sophisticated sensors has contributed to the development of more user-friendly and functional devices, not like this big thing. It becomes evident that its purpose transcends sci-fi heroics. This exoskeleton designed for her work, pushing the boundaries of what was once only imagined on the silver screen. That's it for this episode of Tech Lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. See you next time.
The City of Miami Gardens presents JITG Music Fest featuring Maxwell, Summer Walker, DeVito, Jasmine Sullivan, Babyface, Kirk Franklin, Omarion, Cheesy, Scarface, Tink, Eric Bellinger, Tamia, Jaheim, DJ Cassidy's Pass the Mic Live, Marsha Ambrosia, October London, and more artists to be announced. Hosted by Jess Hilarious and Ricky Smiley. March 9th and 10th at Hard Rock Stadium. For tickets, visit jazzinthegardens.com.